In this video, I will show you how to change download location on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Steam. I'm currently logged into my accounts. So what you want to do is actually come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto Steam up here. Then what you want to do is come down on this drop-down menu and click onto Settings. From the settings window that comes up, what you want to do now is come across this menu on the left hand side and click onto storage. Now what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. So it's going to show you all the games currently installed on your C drive. Now to go ahead and change the download location, the first thing you're going to have to do is add your other drive, whether that's an internal drive or an external hard drive. So from this screen, what you want to do is come up to the top. You're going to see a drop down box here with your C drive. Give that a click and you're going to see an option to add drive. So what you want to do is click onto add drive, and what it's going to do is locate your external hard drive if you've got it connected. So at this point, of course, make sure you've got it connected. As you can see, mine is connected, and what you want to do is just click the blue add button. Now at this point, what that's going to do when you come up and click onto the drop down box again, you should now see your new drive added. At this point, what you can now do is move games onto that new drive. So you can simply tick the box for the games that you want to move, and you're going to see an option down here to move, and it's going to tell you the size of all the games that you want to move across. Now by default, to download games onto this new drive, all you want to do is, if I come across my games library, and I'm just going to find a game to install, and when you now go ahead and click the blue install button, you're going to be given the option to install to your C drive or your alternative new drive. So of course all you would do is select your new drive and then follow the steps to install onto your new drive. There is no default way to change the download path, but that is how to install and effectively change your download location on Steam. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.